Hi, my name is DJ. We're here in Carlsbad, California, and I'm introducing you to Vinnie, our converted 2500 Mercedes Sprinter. We had the idea during COVID. It was kind of a dream of my wife and I to build a mobile camper van for our family. Yeah, the van has just been, it's our pride and joy. Can't wait to show you guys around. All right, here we are in the front of the van. So obviously we got the two swivel seats here. We built the van. The purpose was that we wanted to be able to safely drive a family of 5. We have a family of 4, but a family of 5, so you have seat belts for everybody, and then we wanted to be able to camp and sleep up to 5. So what we have is when you swivel the seats around, we have a bunk system that folds up into a bag. It slides onto these two front seats, so you have 2 kids' bunks. You can sleep a 3rd kid here, and then in the back, that converts into almost a king-size bed for the parents. All right, we're gonna swing around the back and I'll show you some of the living features. So first thing we did was we knew we were gonna have a lot of snacks and gear, so we got a Dometic fridge freezer here, which is really nice, a little bit oversized for us so we can have a lot of our gear. All right, so we got 2 upper cabinets here. This is kind of where we have our kitchen gear, our lights, headlamps, and then we've got a couple baskets for kids' snacks, so they have easy access to that. So here we've got a farm sink, which was my wife's dream, to have a little farm sink with these butcher block countertops. Under here we have a little 2.5-gallon water heater because that's important for the kids. We don't want to be spraying them off in the back while they're cold. All right, so this is kind of one of our main storage cabinets. So on the top here we've got all of our utensils, knives, can openers, things of that nature. Then we kind of go into another drawer that has our coffee mugs, matching of course, plates, coffee maker. AeroPress is awesome for when we're on the road. And then this is kind of where we do kind of our bulk food. So we've got food, we can put extra water in there. We've got really nice slides in there. Drawers never open. Then we've got kind of our little catch-all junk drawer here. Got to have those Star Wars playing cards if you've got kids. So that's just a nice little easy grab when you're in bed. And then we have another cabinet here that we use for bulk storage, toys or whatever we want to put in there. All right, so for the layout, the reason we chose this layout is because we wanted to be able to function on a day-to-day basis. So as I said before, this is my daily driver. So we wanted to set it up in a way where we could have some storage access for surfboards. We can take it to the beach on the weekend and have lunch or breakfast burritos here. And we chose not to do a cooktop or an oven or a microwave just because we like to do our cooking outside. And when you have little kids running around, trying to cook in a small space like this isn't really conducive, but we enjoy eating outdoors.
I'm Nate Murphy, author of the Van Conversion Guide, and I just want to let you know that I'm running a free online training which will teach you how to make van life free or profitable. I will show you how to choose a van and build it out and avoid the one big mistake that most people make. I will show you how I made van life completely free and a bunch of other stuff that people don't really talk about. If you'd like to join, click the link here or in the description and I'll see you there.
So in the back area here, we decided, we were going back and forth whether to do the taller fixed bed so we could have the big garage or keep it open with kind of a convertible setup. We chose the convertible setup because of how often we use it on the weekend. And we wanted a place that we can kind of sit, relax, which is why we put the additional windows in the back, 2 in the back and 2 on the sides, so that we can just enjoy the scenery, use the table. And then another benefit of having the converted bed is it's a bit lower, so we're able to maximize our storage with these cabinets here. So the cabinets are used usually this side of the cabinet, so we've got our matching beach towels here that are always living in the van because you never know when you're going to have a swim or a surf. We've got our shower here that connects in the back. So usually when we take a trip, this is where our clothes will go. And then on the right side, this is kind of flexible storage, but another 2 big cabinets. Now we have kind of all of our window covers nice and organized in here. We've got our beach blanket and any other beach gear that we want to put in here, wetsuits, things like that, usually sit on this side. All right, so now that I've shown you this in the table bench mode, we're gonna flip around to the back and I'll show you how we convert it. All right, the conversion process is really quick and easy. You can open the doors in the back and do it, or you can do it right from inside with all the doors closed. So there's only one piece we have to use, which is another piece that matches the table that sits up top in the additional storage, and I'll show you how we do it. All right, so the first thing we do is we just kind of loosen up the table from the lagoon mount. That pulls out really easily. We put that to the side. Take that out. This usually just sits here on the bottom. And then we will take our additional piece to round out the bed. It sits on this little lip here. And then the table is the only other piece required. So we sit it the same exact way. 2 pillows. And now you've got your almost king-size bed. So super easy. We can do it during the day. Sometimes the kids need a bit of a nap, so we just chuck it down, throw a nice beach blanket on there, and they can have a little nap with the windows open. All right, so in the back, these big benches, obviously there's a ton of storage. So on this side, we have 28 gallons of fresh water, our water pump, all that stuff. Obviously we've got a little outdoor shower here. Get that sand off with the hot water from that 2.5 gallon GE water tank that we have. And on this side, we have bulk storage, so we can put lawn chairs, things like that. And we also have our electrical system in there. And when we were choosing what electrical system to use, we actually chose the Goal Zero system to be really flexible. So we have a 3000X in there that we never have an issue with. So we have 400 watts of solar on the top. We have it connected to the alternator, so it's always charging while we're driving. That powers the refrigerator 24/7. Even when we're not using it, the fridge and freezer is always working. So that little system has been really great for us and has never let us down. All right, so the van's a 2016 Mercedes 2500 two-wheel drive. Obviously, we installed CRL windows. We've got 4 big windows that all open, which is awesome. And then from Flatline Van Co., we've got the roof rack up there, which has the 400 watts of solar. There's also a couple other rails up there for storage when we're going on a longer trip. And to get up there, we've got this nice ladder. So we kept the outside really simple, not a lot of flashiness, but we've got the essentials. Thanks so much for watching and learning about Vinnie the van. If you're interested in renting our van here in Southern California, you can find us on Outdoorsy.
If you didn't notice, I am offering a free online training which will help teach you how to make van life free or profitable. In this video, I will show you exactly how to buy a van, how to fit it out in a profitable way, and teach you how to avoid the mistakes that most people make, and all the other stuff that almost nobody else talks about. If you are thinking about converting a van or living van life, it'll be one of the most valuable things you will ever watch. Just click the link, register for free, and I'll see you there. Another great place to start is to get the van conversion guide. It's packed with useful information and includes 20 video lessons to help you convert a van. Check our website, all the information is there.